During the winter holidays, we took a special trip to Colorado with my mom and my sister-in-law, who's visiting the US for the very first time. With breathtaking mountain views and snow everywhere, we couldn't wait to experience it all. From snow tubing to cable car rides and exploring the snowy peaks up close, everyone is beyond excited. Our little boy slept through the entire flight, which is a blessing because we didn't have to deal with tantrums.
We're here in Colorado and we're waiting for the car rental.
Yeah.
We arrived in Denver from Austin just before noon, tired and hungry. We hadn't realized that most establishments and restaurants would be closed on Christmas Day. It was a struggle trying to find somewhere to eat. Thankfully, we came across a gas station and convenience store with a McDonald's on the way to Keystone. The drive up to the mountains was breathtaking, like literally. The higher we went, the thinner the air became. Our mouths dropped as we took in the peaks up close on both sides.
It's a beautiful lake.
We can't stop pointing at how stunning everything around us is. I mean, just look at that view.
Go past the street. Arrived. Okay, so here's a tour of our Airbnb. The mudroom is here. Right next to it is the powder room. Then here is a closet. Nice! Wow! So now we're going downstairs and the washer and dryer is here. I think this is the master's bedroom. See? We have a bathtub. It's a closet, and this room here is the toilet. Okay. And then you also have access to the outdoors from here. Yeah, it's pretty. But there's no chairs outside. And here is another toilet. There's also a bathtub here for the bedroom 2. Here's bedroom 2. And the closet on the side.
Bye-bye.
My mom is resting. We just arrived from Austin.
Yeah, shiny.
And this is how we spent our first night in Colorado.
Love you.
That's an angel!
Are you an angel? Oh!
Like the camera got saved by an angel.
Good morning.
Today, we're driving from Breckenridge to Keystone. It is about 25 to 30 minutes away. The drive is absolutely gorgeous. As we wind through the mountains, you can see snow-covered peaks and trees all around. Breckenridge is a charming mountain town in Colorado, famous for its historic Main Street, world-class ski slopes, and vibrant winter activities. Originally a gold mining town, it still retains its Victorian-era buildings and small-town charm. After enjoying the free cable car ride at the Breckenridge gondola, we were hungry. Since this is a major tourist area, we expect long wait times. After much walking, we found a restaurant in the heart of town that wasn't too crowded. Our last stop of the day is seeing Isaac Hartstone. The line was crazy during our visit. We wanted to give up, but we had already waited for an hour. It felt like a waste to quit. The wait was so long, our little boy lost it and had a tantrum. Today is snow tubing day. We're so excited to hit the slopes. But first, the lunch. The snow tubing hill is situated up the mountain, which means a cable car ride is part of the fun. We've booked our tickets in advance at Keystone Adventure Point for one run, which means we only get to slide down the slope once. Children must be at least 3.5 feet tall to be able to enjoy this activity. But the little ones can still join the fun. Small inflatable snow tubes are scattered around the area for them to ride on too.
Just grab her too.
It's fun.
Chicken. Na may label oh.
Before this trip, I promised to put the little one down on the snow, whether he likes it or not. Of course, our kuya is different. He grew up in Ontario, Canada after all. He loves the snow. Can you hear it? Little one wailed even louder when Dad called his name. It snowed the night before, and the same road on the way to Breckenridge looked ethereal, covered in snow.
Okay. Kuya, show me what is it? Yay! What's that? Snow! Yay!
On day 5, we're saying goodbye to Keystone and spend the rest of our vacation in Denver.
At the stop sign.
This is the ship viewing area. You can view for free.
We arrived in Denver for hours before our hotel check-in. So we spent the time at the mall while the kids played at the bounce place.
Morning.
We didn't have anything planned for our last 2 days in Denver. But thanks to my husband's quick thinking, he managed to book tickets to the Museum of Illusions at the last minute. Since our tickets were for 3 p.m., we took our time exploring and sightseeing beforehand. Sometimes sticking with something you know is exactly what you want, especially when you're exploring a new city. After dinner at the Cheesecake Factory, we didn't waste any time and headed to the 27th floor of the Hyatt Hotel. We were there to catch the Mile High drone show at 7 p.m.
I'm traveling here in Colorado.
Breakfast today reminds
We ended our Colorado trip in Denver by exploring Union Station. We then searched for a nearby cafe to relax while waiting for our flight back home. We arrived in Austin on New Year's Eve. It was magical seeing the fireworks from up above. Thanks for joining us on our Colorado adventure. Until the next trip.